We love Hakka to enrich your Taiwan experience. Learn about Hakka language and culture.
每天收听客家风情，学习另一种不同文化，让你生活更有趣。
Miaoli County is well known in Taiwan as a Hakka area. Of necessity, Hakka often settled in less agriculturally rich areas. Miaoli is mountainous and originally was thickly forested. Within Miaoli, the most famous town is probably Sanyi, where about 80% of the inhabitants are Hakka. Sanyi's most famous industry is the wood carving industry, started during the Japanese occupation, to take advantage of the local camphor wood. There's a museum of wood carving, the only one in Taiwan, in Guangsheng Village, with exhibits ranging from religious statues to art pieces. Hello and welcome to another exciting edition of Hakka Lesson of the Day. Thank you very much for your input. We have Alice Pong.
Hello, 大家好。
Let's talk about the way that Hakka people, how they interact with other people. 客家人他有什么样处事的道理？
有一句話講哦，那愛學問好，必得門三路。
Okay, we're talking about how to obtain the most knowledge. You have to ask 3 people. Okay, 那句話再講一次。
那愛學問好，必得門三路。
No, I'm sorry. Say that again. It's hard. Don't laugh.
那愛學問好，
Okay, stop. No, I ho mun ho.
必得門三路。
Bit that sam lo means 如果要學問好，必得問三老. If you want to obtain the most knowledge, you have to ask 3 people. And they are, who are they?
三路也就是老年人、
The senior citizen,
老實人、
the honest people,
老經驗嘅人。
and people who are with experience. Okay, let's try this one more time. In Hakka, please.
那愛學問好，
如果要學問好，
必得門三路。
必得問三老. If you want to obtain the most knowledge, you have to ask 3 people, and they are
老年人、
the elderly,
老實人、
the honest,
老經驗嘅人。
and the experienced people. Wow, that's hard, but it's fun. Thank you very much. It's been a pleasant lesson. We'll see you next time.
節目大家將來了。
什麼大家安子些？
客家風情由行政院客家委員會監製，邀您一起體驗另一種不同的客家文化之美。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Commission of the Executive Yuan to enrich your Taiwan experience.